Easy now, keep moving.
Watch your step there, nice and slow.
All latches secured on level 3.
Confirmed. Ready for transport.
Easy now, easy. Keep moving.
Watch the gate on the left.
Initiate corridor sequence. Maintain group spacing. The automated pre-rinse ensures optimal hygiene before the main cycle. The Brangus breed, known for their resilience, thrive in our state-of-the-art facility. Cycle initiated. High-pressure wash sequence commencing. Please maintain steady pace for optimal cleaning.
Check the pressure on Unit 3.
Looks good from here. Cycles are steady.
Adjusting the humidity levels now.
Confirmed. The drying zone intake is stable.
Power levels holding steady at 40%.
Ear tag 619er confirmed. Proceed to scale.
Roger that. Scale is clear.
Weight stabilized at 850 kilograms.
Confirmed. Opening gate now.
This state-of-the-art facility ensures optimal conditions.
Attention all staff. Sector Gamma is now clear for transfer. Please proceed with caution.
Bring it out steady. Okay, clear the dock plate. Let's get this inspected.
Scan complete. All parameters within tolerance. Move to Rack 4.
All personnel, please ensure accurate measurements for the current batch. The next shipment is due for processing.
Watch the alignment, slow down slightly.
Roger, slowing.
Ensure the alignment is precise before the seal engages.
Confirmed. Moving to secure position.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Acknowledged. Rotation cycle is stable.
Keep it centered for the rollers.
Got it. Looks good from here.
Align the paddle slowly now. Clear. It's taking it well. Is the load secure? Looks good from here. Seal it up. Adjust the edge slightly to the left.
Okay, moving it now. Make sure it's centered before the rollers.
Drum sequence complete. Initiating shutdown protocol.
Valve secured. Waiting for hatch release.
See the difference in the grain here? The flexibility is exactly where we want it.
Agreed. The conditioning cycle was successful.
Ensure all paddles are clear. Hatch closing sequence engaged. Drum rotation commencing.
Watch the edge there. Clear, push it forward now.
The calibration is spot on.
Maintain the feed rate.
Gauge reading is 2.2 millimeters. Yeah.
Consistent with the template.
Go ahead and clip it for transport.
Check the viscosity on line 3.
Check the cross-section here.
Dye penetration looks uniform. Surface consistency is good.
Frame secured. Initiate transfer sequence.
Acknowledged. Moving to chamber.
Align the edges before it hits the head.
All right, looks good.
Compression is excellent. No cracking.
Good. Let's move it to the buffing station.
Keep it steady on the left side.
Right, aligning the guide now.
The suction levels are stable at 90 pascals.
Consistent flow rate on the base coat.
The moment of contact ensures a mechanically perfect, transparent to black coating, preserving the supple texture of the full-grain leather.
The grain looks perfect on this batch.
Yeah, the matte finish is spot on. Send it to the next station.
The finish is perfect on this batch.
Factory loaded and ready for plating.
The hide is meticulously placed before the press applies the perfect heat and pressure, revealing the refined surface.
Here at Factory Loaded, we meticulously test for suppleness and durability before the final approval.
Align the grain precisely with the markers.
Confirmed. Ready for scan initiation.
Make sure the grain is centered before the vacuum engages.
It's good to go. Check the alignment on the next section.
Already compensated. The feed rate looks optimal now.
Symmetry is perfect on this one.
Excellent. The finish is exactly to spec.
Ensure the adhesive is perfectly aligned with the zipper track before pressing the patch.
Smooth operation, no snags. Stitching is precise. Approved for assembly.
The spacing on the template looks good.
Agreed.
Maintain that pressure right to the edge.
The seam alignment is perfect. Another quality stitch.
Check the stitching on the sleeve.
Looks good. Send it to finishing.
finest leather, crafted for the discerning few.
Grain alignment is perfect. Seams are secure.
Keep the tension steady on that side, almost through the curve.
Got it. Looks clean.